Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Range Rover Evoque key battery easy guide. Start by prying open the key fob seam with a thin flat tool, expose the battery compartment, and remove the old CR2032-3 V-cell while noting its orientation. Clean the contact points gently if needed. Insert the new CR2032-3 V with positive side up. Snap the case closed, and test lock and unlock functions twice to confirm success. Start by releasing the emergency key latch with a coin or flat screwdriver, then slide the key blade out to access the fob seam. Gently pry the halves apart and keep small pieces organized so nothing disappears into the carpet or toolbox. Remove the battery cover and note the positive orientation, then lift out the old battery. Clean contacts if corroded, and prepare the replacement for insertion and reassembly. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more easy car tips. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle, a leak-proof, durable bottle that keeps drinks cold or hot while you work, which helps when your hands get greasy during a battery swap. Check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned. Consider grabbing one, and now let's get back to the video. If the remote does not respond after changing the battery, recheck orientation and press the battery firmly into its contacts while testing buttons. Use a multimeter to confirm the new battery reads near 3V and clean any corrosion from contacts with isopropyl alcohol if present. For persistent issues, consider reprogramming at a dealer or locksmith, or replace the worn fob shell to restore reliable button function and waterproofing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.